Today I'm at the Biloxi Manufactured Home Show and Expo in Biloxi, Mississippi, and behind me we've got some size. This is the Satilla built by Cavco. It's got 4 bedrooms, it's got 2 bathrooms, and it's all within 2,254 square feet. That's dimensions of 76 long by 32 feet wide. What I'd like to do is take a very quick trip around the outside, and then we're gonna duck inside, see what it's all about. Let's do it. So this is my very first time in Biloxi, Mississippi, and that means this is my very first time at the Biloxi Manufactured Home Show. And I'm excited to see what they got because I don't know how many homes are here, but I know Cavco brought 8 alone. So there's probably 50 plus at this show. And what they've done with this one, they've kind of got a bit of a farmhouse look. So they've got the horizontal siding, that's vinyl. They've got a vertical vinyl siding there. And then they've got the wood accent around the windows and around the vertical vinyl accents. All right. Not much going on down that side. I'm excited about the inside. I already took a quick look, so I think it's time we head up. They've got a nice black front door on this with the 3 windows up above. This is what it's all about because this place is huge. Wait till you see it. So as you head in the front door, the farmhouse look continues with the wood accent. You can see they've got the wood entertainment center over there. They've got the beams running up above, and you land right into the living room. Again, the theme throughout this home is spacious. So have a look at this. They've got a huge couch over there, love seat on this side, and another wood accent right here. They've got 3 big windows, and that's out to a covered porch. And there's something cool about that porch. I want to get to it actually right away. So I don't know if these doors are open. You can go through the dining room, out to the porch. Look at this, covered. You've got a fan out here. Typically, you would have the stairs running down there. They got the outdoor furniture staged. The best part about it is there's the 2 accesses. So you can go out the dining room, or you can go out the main bedroom. So now we are in the main bedroom, and again, look at the size of this. So you've got the dresser way over there on the other side. Across from the bed, we've got a huge walk-in closet with some built-in cabinetry right here. They've got the spots to hang your stuff with a shelf up above for your extra shoes or whatever you want to put up there. Another built-in on that side. Let's take a little trip down this way because, again, the ensuite is no joke either. So they've got towel storage on the right-hand side, actually on both sides. They've got 2 sinks in the middle, more storage under there. They've got a bank of 3 drawers there. Couple mirrors above the sinks, which is typically the case. And then, as I mentioned, you've got the towel storage on the left-hand side as well. Toilet is down here in the corner, right beside this window, just kind of handy. That does have blinds that come down, so people don't have to look in while you're doing your business. They got the walk-in shower on this side. It's got 2 shower heads, 1 on the wall that's removable, and then a bit of a rainfall on that side. So that's cool. They've got separate controls, so you can run that one, or both, whatever you're feeling like. Just when you thought there couldn't be any more in this bathroom, have a look at this. Soaker tub right here, the farmhouse details on the wall. So I like it. Coming back this way, still lots to see in this home because, as I mentioned, it's 76 feet long and we've probably only been through about the first 40 feet. So I cruised by it earlier, but the dining room is right here. Nice chandelier up above. And then we're going into maybe the most exciting space in this house. They've got a massive island right in the middle with 4 bar stools tucked up there. And as I come around to this side, there it is again. They got the wood accents throughout this house. Someone emailed me the other day and said, looking for something with a farmhouse style. And at that point, I didn't know where to send them, but I do now. Okay, so they've got a nice big drawer there, cabinets below that, bank of drawers on this side, another one right there, another setup right there, nice deep sink right here in the middle with the window up above. I thought that was a person over there, but it's actually just a poster. Dishwasher beside that, more cabinets up above here, and then we've got the microwave built into the cabinetry here. There's that right there. Okay, perfect spot for your air fryer. Up here, another deep cabinet before we got to the, oh, would you look at that, double door stainless steel fridge that is fully stocked. I like that. I hope this is what I think it is. Yes, even more storage in the kitchen. They've got a pantry right here. So if you thought while I was going through the other section, there's no way I'm gonna fit all my stuff into this kitchen, I need a pantry, you've got it right there. All right, so this is a split floor plan. We saw the main bedroom on that side of the house. We've got 3 more on this side. The first 2 are between this bathroom. So these aren't staged. We'll just take a quick look. They've got a closet there. Picture a bed, picture a nightstand, picture maybe a chair or an area rug, whatever you want to put in a bedroom, imagine it in your mind. Then in the middle, we've got the second bathroom. So pretty wide vanity right here. You've got the 2 cabinets below, mirror up above, and the same light fixture that was in the other bathroom. This one has a tub shower, and they do have a little bit of extra storage right above the toilet. Let's continue, shall we? So these 2 bedrooms, again, are mirror images of each other, so won't spend too much time in this one. But down at the end of the home, still more to talk about. Here we go. So this is bedroom 4, and I don't believe it's staged. Nope, it is not. However, I don't know why I said however. I wasn't going anywhere with that. I think it is exactly the same as the other 2 bedrooms. I'm gonna have to reference the floor plan, but it feels to be about the same size. One more space we have to get to, and I think people are gonna like this because it's something they ask about all the time. Where am I going to do laundry? So we've got a, I guess you could say, 4th entrance here. We've got the electrical panel there. You've got a laundry sink right here with open shelving above for detergents and that kind of stuff. You've got some drawers, cabinets down below. You've got a back door. So a lot of times people will come in the back door. There's a place to hang your coats right there. This is kind of an area you could put shoes. And of course, you gotta have it. There is the spot that you're gonna have the washer dryer. So nobody fret. I swear, if there's not a spot for a washer dryer in a home, people are up in arms. I'm glad they've got it because then people will be happy. So this is the Satilla, 2,254 square feet. And I will confirm that it feels big. There you have it, folks, the Satilla from Cavco, 32 feet wide, 76 feet long for a total square footage of 2,254. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next